Hello, this is Jamie from Shamrock Girl World, and today I'm going to show you how you can grow lychee fruit from seed. Lychees are a slow-growing evergreen tree that produces pinkish red fruit that's grown in large clusters. Lychee trees can be successfully grown in hardiness zones 10 through 11, such as in California and Florida in the United States. Lychee fruits may have a challenging obstacle when it comes to the seeds. Some cultivars or lychee crops may not have fruit with large, viable seeds. The seeds may be small or shriveled on the inside, and the fruit itself may be seedless. For example, I've bought pounds of lychees and only got a handful of seeds or none at all. So if you're interested in growing lychees from seed, make sure to purchase or collect a bunch of fresh fruit and be aware of different cultivars or the state or country of origin. The first thing to do is to extract the seeds from the fresh fruit. You can peel and eat the white fruit from the seeds. Choose large round seeds. Do not use any malformed or chicken-tongued seeds. And do not use any seeds that float. Wash the seeds and remove any flesh from the seeds. Clean the flat end of the seeds by rubbing it with your fingernail or a nail file. If you're unable to immediately plant the seeds, soak and store them in water. The seeds will lose viability if not kept in water. Do not allow the seeds to dry and shrivel. And do not use warm water. It may make the seed sprout or split along the length of the seed, making it inviable. It's best to use fresh lychee seeds. Next, you can plant the seeds in the soil. Use well-draining soil such as peat moss, seed starter mix, or potting soil. Plant the seed 1 inch under the soil with the flat end pointed down or the seed planted on its side. Do not plant the round part of the seed down because it may take longer to sprout or it will inhibit sprouting. Water the seeds and make sure the container drains. Put the container in a warm location and you can cover the container with a plastic bag. Now you can wait for growth. It will take the lychee seeds at least 4 weeks to sprout from the soil. Do not let the soil dry out during that time. When the seedlings sprout, move the container to indirect sunlight. The seedling's leaves will change color as it grows. As the seedlings get bigger, transplant it into a larger container and put the seedling in more sunlight. Just make sure that it's not intense sunlight. Protect the growing seedling and trees from cold weather. The tree will develop a tolerance for light frost as it grows, but freezing temperatures is harmful to the tree. The seedling will have slow growth over the years. As you can see, it's easy to start a lychee tree from seed. Although it may take 5 to 10 years or more for it to bear fruit, you'll have a large evergreen tree that is perfect for shade coverage in warm tropical climates. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about lychee fruit and when and where to find it in stores, check out my video, What is Lychee? And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell for more videos about exotic fruits, growing exotic fruits, gardening, outdoor crafts, and more. Thank you.